The main component of road repair mortar is cement. Is generally ordinary Portland cement, which provides strength and cementing action. Second, fine or medium sand with good gradation. Hard fine sand or medium sand as aggregate to enhance the strength of mortar. Thirdly, polymers, such as latex powder or redispersible latex powder, can improve the flexibility, bond strength, and crack resistance. Fourthly, admixtures, including leveling agents, to reduce water consumption, to improve the workability of mortar and enhancers, to accelerate the early strength development of the repair area, and anti-cracking agents, to compensate for shrinkage, to reduce crack generation. Fifth, fibers, such as polypropylene fibers or glass fibers, can enhance the crack resistance and toughness of mortar.